Now it's time for the wheels, the real test of any car wash. For this step, I'm using Mr. Cartoon Slick Car Wash and Wax along with the brushes from the Platinum Car Wash kit. The short handle wheel and tire brush gave me that power and control to really scrub the tires. The bristles are stiff but not harsh, perfect for breaking down the grime without damaging the rubber. The wheel spoke brush was all about precision. It slid right into the tighter spaces of the rims where dirt usually hides. That made it easy to lift out buildup that a regular brush can't reach. And then the detailing brush, small but so effective. It let me get into all the little edges and crevices, especially around the bolts and trim. Honestly, this was the tool that made the wheels feel brand new again. Each brush has its role, and using them together with the slick wash and wax gave me that layered clean. From the surface all the way down to the fine details, this part alone made the kit really worth it.